Hi guys, in this video I'm talking about sell on Google with Shopify. You can earn money easily. Just use Shopify and Google. So let's get started. Sell on Google with Shopify. Advertise on Google for free. Okay. You just search Google Shopify. Then you visit this first website. Shopify, Google sell where people search. Google people sell where people search on Google. Get your products in front of new shoppers who are looking for what are you are selling. Start free retail. You can check this. Already have Shopify stored install Google Play. You can see watch laptop sell across Google. List your products on Google platform. Search shopping, image, lens, and YouTube. Okay, that's mean you can use Google Ad, list your product on Google platform like search engine, then shopping, image, lens, and YouTube, Gmail, menus. Okay, promote your product. Get start. You can get started with free listing or create a smart shopping campaign that fits your budget. Okay, then manage with Shopify. Showcase your product. You know that across Google will keeping Shopify your back office to manage your order and inventory. You can check this built as online business no matter with what a business you are in. Use it with Shopify. Get up running in 3 steps. Start a free tail. Create an online store for your product with 40 days free 40-day free trial of Shopify. Install Google as a sales channel. Add a Google as a sales channel in your Shopify admin and connect to your Google Merchant Center account. Sign up your product and start selling. Complete the Google sales channel setup. Your product will be eligible. Show upgrades Google. You can check this product feed. Sign up your product to Google. Stay sign up. Rank the top. You can check here some looking demo. List your product for free. Show up everywhere. Showcase your product across Google search engine everywhere. You just select that. You can see here some minute ago I telling that Gmail, search engine, Google. Okay. Smart shopping campaign. Reach more customers with a smart shopping campaign. Let Google work for you. Pay for performance. Create your campaigns in Shopify. Set a budget and let Google smart. You can scroll down shop pay. Paying dashboard here. You can check this. Buy on Google, boost conversion. Buy to Google, keeper. Okay, install Google. Then just I leave this, and Google channel reach shopper and discover. You can check this. It's very helpful for you. You can check this video. Manage with Shopify, and then list your product for free, and then boost your reach with ad. You can check here selling t-shirt or many things. Pricing, free to install, rating. Here rating available. You can check this. Okay, many people are rating here. Here Google partners with Shopify on online shopping expensive from discovery checkout Shopify and Google depending Google Shopify help center. You can check this Google Shopify help center. It's very helpful for you. Okay, you can find many things. What do you know? Then Shopify your e-commerce store apps on Google. You can download this. How to install Google Tech Manager with Shopify. Google partnering with Shopify sellers Shopify. Okay,